Today, I'm going to tell you how to reduce spice in Palak Paneer. If you've missed watching the part 1 of the video, then the link is available in the comment section below or the I button above. For half kg of Palak Paneer prepared, you can add thick yogurt, two ladles of thick yogurt or sour cream to this. Mix it well nicely. Add half a teaspoon of sugar and cook it on slow fire by occasionally stirring it. Now, after some time, you can taste it and you will find that the spice levels are once again adjusted. Now, increasing the volume is also another method. That is, cook some more palak, nicely mash it, and add other spices to this. Fry it well, and then add the originally prepared palak paneer to this, and then mix it well and cook it on fire. You will find by increasing the volume, I'm adding a little bit of water. Add half a teaspoon of sugar to this. Now, you will find that the spice levels are adjusted nicely. And lastly, adding a punch of products with acid, that is lemon juice or vinegar. You can add the juice of one lemon, or 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix it well, cook it on slow fire. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well and cook it. After some time, you can taste it and you can find that the spice levels are nicely adjusted. Thank you.